C-Bus.
So we're back at the project, day number 5. I was kind of in a hurry this morning. I was fixing up a few things, trying to patch up this wire that we had to rebury. And I didn't do my video log here right at the beginning of the morning. So I'm trying to just take a minute to do that now. I finished patching up the concrete wall over here. So that's all ready, and now we're ready for our base material. So when I was here yesterday, before the weekend anyway, I set my grade with all these grade stakes. I made everything square and level, and then I ran a string line, and that line right there is going to show us where the front of the wall is going to be, also the height of the bottom of the wall, where we're going to set our treads. So that's basically the guide for the wall is the string in the front of the edge of the patio. Also, you can see on my grade stakes over here, I've put a line on each stake. That way you can tell where we're going to build our forms at, and you can see we've started to build a form over here. And then I like to do it with forms just like if you're going to build or pour a concrete pad. So that way you don't get any low spots or pockets. Some guys will just do it, eyeball it, and sort of rake the gravel out. Now in this area we're going to use a 304 limestone base, and when you use those you can only bring in about 3 or 4 inches at a time, and then you have to wet it down and compact it. So that's where we're going to get started on. We'll bring in about 3-4 inches, we'll rake it out relatively smooth, we'll wet it down, we'll compact it, then we're going to bring in another 3 or 4 inches, do the same thing. So today's base grade day, and tomorrow's going to be start of construction.